What if I tell you that the answers you've been looking for is not in more hustle, but in a little bit more wisdom? Welcome to Words of Wisdom with Angela. I am Angela, and I created this space to help anyone who is overwhelmed by the noise of the world and is looking for a path to peace and clarity. On this channel, we dive deep into real life lessons that actually matter, from mastering morning rituals to towards finding strength in difficult moments. Then we explore practical ways by which one can live a life formed by purpose and not by pressure. We won't find quick fixes or empty promises here. Yeah. Rather, you find growth, reflection, and kind of wisdom that lives with you even after watching the video for a long time. If you are interested in starting a journey towards a wiser and more intentional life, hit the subscribe button and join our community. I'm glad you are here. Let's grow together.